Thomas Rohr from Tesla Owners US, and as soon as I got a new car, and you know that I'm towing, I need to install a new brake controller. And I got the Hopkins brake controller. I got 3 cars with this already installed, and I like this one because it's quite easy to install. And we are going through the steps how to install them.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found
So
what we're
here it is. That's the Hopkins brake controller, brake inside. And then here is the part number from the pigtail. That is part number P1072586. Yeah. Okay, that's what you need. So now put it back together. So let me show you what I did. First one is to remove the panels. This panel probably would be easy not to be removed, but I did because I needed to look where I can get go. This is just next to the choke steering wheel. So and then here are 2 panels. One is vertical, and then the other one is vertical on that side. And I removed these 2 panels because I wanted to know where is actually the connector for the brake controller. And the connector is not anymore like in the old Model X here. It is here more on the inside. Let me go show you where that is here. You have to take that in the wheel, in the well from the footwell, and then here is all the way down here. There is the 4-prong connector. Can I see it here? Can we see it? Yes, there's a connector, and that's the connector with that pigtail what you get from Tesla, where you connect it to. And then I took this panel out as well, because I wanted to put the wire underneath here so that it's invisible. And then here, that side panel just actually at the middle console section, I want to put the controller here. It needs to be, the controller needs to be in the middle and also facing forward, pretty flat on the ground. So the optimum solution here is to put the controller panel just below here. So this panel had to go off as well. Now we're talking about the parts. So first of all, let me show you where the controller is. So good. Here's the controller. That looks like this. So here's the controller. Here is the power adapter for the controller. That actually needs to be installed and towards the middle of the car and in this position. And then there are here the connectors for actually that what needs to be ending up in your pigtail. And then here are the connectors for the controller. One is for the display and the other one is for the manual controller to adjust that. So that's what we need to connect. So that comes in the middle console, what I showed you already. Now this is the controller where you can adjust that and also manually brake here. That comes next to the steering wheel, actually almost invisible. Let me try it. About, let's say maybe about here in this section or about here in this section here. So that you just have to grab a little bit under, and that's probably been double tape glued to it. Oh, and then the little mini display. This is, where's the mini display? Here is the little tiny mini display. That mini display will go over here, and that's why I opened it here so that there's a minimum of cable even visible here. So I'm gonna basically stick it here on the top with dual tape. And that's then easily visible as well, and then I don't have to remember if I have a yoke or a yoke steering wheel or a regular steering wheel, it always becomes visible and the cable is invisible. So I have to move the cable through here, and there's a possibility to do that. Okay, good. So now next point is I show you the connection here. This is where the controller is, the manual adjuster is in this section, maybe here or here, and then here in this section under the middle console there is where we will have here under the middle console. This is where we have the controller. Okay guys, I had to revise this one because it was blocking this insert there for the panel, and so I double taped it flat on the ground and pushed it against this bar. So that's the change. Don't install it there, install it all the way flat on the ground with double 3M tape, pretty sturdy sticky tape. And then the wire goes here along, then behind that pedal there. And here you can always see, oh, there's already power in it. Here on this one, on the controller, which actually gets here. So you don't see any wire with this. Then it goes from here underneath, and then here those European wire clippers. So watch the wiring, because Tesla has it now named on the wire. So the brake switch goes to red. The what was it? Tesla. That's the ground goes to white. The blue goes to blue, and what is that one? The red goes to black. The Tesla red goes to black, because this is according to automotive standards and the other one is according to trailer standards. So that's why you have to look it up, and there's a description there where what goes where. Then it goes underneath here, then alongside here, and it clips in here. And that's it. And then we can assemble it back together, and then you see this one, the wire goes in between here and comes out here. So, and then you can stick it here. And as always a minimum of wire looking out. Okay, that's the idea. Okay, it is done. As you can see, everything's locked down, locked under, closed. The controller is here, almost invisible here, and but still available to reach. And then the other controller of the mini display is here. There's only a little wire, and that everything is closed again. Everything fits nicely. Yeah. Good. Cool. That's it. Sorry, I had to do that in the middle of the night, and basically on late evening when I came from training, and I had no other time for that. And if you like it, subscribe to the channel, thumbs up, and really subscribe. Don't just only watch the movie. Please subscribe. Helps me a lot for all of the people watching and for a certain visibility. Thank you.